OpenAI calls it the company's most advanced system, producing safer and more useful responses. Here's everything we know about it so far. GPT-4 was officially announced on March 13, as was confirmed ahead of time by Microsoft, even though the exact day was unknown. As of now, however, it will only be available in the ChatGPT Plus paid subscription. The current free version of ChatGPT will still be based on GPT 3.5. GPT-4 will also be available as an API for developers to build applications and services. Some of the companies that have already integrated GPT-4 include Duolingo, Be My Eyes, Stripe, and Khan Academy. The first public demonstration of GPT-4 was also live streamed on YouTube, showing off some of its new capabilities. GPT-4 is a new language model created by OpenAI that can generate text that is similar to human speech. It will advance the technology used by ChatGPT, which is currently based on GPT 3.5. GPT is the acronym for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, a deep learning technology that uses artificial neural networks to write like a human. According to OpenAI, this next-generation language model is more advanced in 3 key areas: creativity, visual input, and longer context. In terms of creativity, OpenAI says GPT-4 is much better at both creating and collaborating with users on creative projects. Examples of these include music, screenplays, technical writing, and even learning a user's writing style. The longer context plays into this as well. GPT-4 can now process up to 25,000 words of text from the user. You can even just send GPT-4 a web link and ask it to interact with the text from that page. OpenAI says this can be helpful for the creation of long-form content as well as extended conversations. GPT-4 can also now receive images as a basis for interaction. In the example provided on the GPT-4 website, the chatbot is given an image and is asked what can be made with it. It is not currently known if video can also be used in this same way. Lastly, OpenAI also says GPT-4 is significantly safer to use than the previous generation. It can reportedly produce 40% more factual responses in OpenAI's own internal testing, while also being 82% less likely to respond to requests for disallowed content. OpenAI says it's been trained with human feedback to make these strides, claiming to have worked with over 50 experts for early feedback in domains, including AI safety and security. While discussing the new capabilities of GPT-4, OpenAI also notes some of the limitations of the new language model. Like previous versions of GPT, OpenAI says the latest model still has problems with social biases, hallucinations, and adversarial prompts. In other words, it's not perfect, but OpenAI says these are all issues the company is working to address. Microsoft originally states that the new Bing, or Bing Chat, was more powerful than ChatGPT. Since OpenAI's chat uses GPT 3.5, there was an implication at the time that Bing Chat could be using GPT-4, and now Microsoft has confirmed that Bing Chat is indeed built on GPT-4. Still, features such as visual input weren't available on Bing Chat, so it's not yet clear what exact features have been integrated and which have not. Regardless, Bing Chat clearly has been upgraded with the ability to access current information via the internet. A huge improvement over the current version of ChatGPT, which can only draw from the training it received through 2021. In addition to internet access, the AI model used for Bing Chat is much faster, something that is extremely important when taken out of the lab and added to a search engine. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell button for the latest updates. See you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.